Hello and welcome to our channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can easily run DeepSeek R1 on your computer in less than 5-6 minutes. So let's get started. Go to the Olama and download this Olama. For Windows, Linux or Mac OS based on your system. Mine is Windows, so I will download the Windows one. So after downloading the Olama, you can click on the exe file and it will be installed in a few seconds. For me, it is already installed, so I cancel the installation. Open the terminal and then open the terminal and go to search and search DeepSeek R1. 1.5 billion model is small and we can quickly download and run it. So you need to run the command Olama. You can check if the Olama is installed on your system by running the command Olama -- version and it should display the version. Next command is Olama run DeepSeek -R1 1.5b. It is downloading fast and within few seconds, 16 seconds, the download will completed. Now the model is being loaded into the memory. It is success and the Olama prompt will appear. Type the message here and it is saying, hello, how I can assist you today. Okay, ask some question. Tell me which programming is good to learn in 2025. Now it is thinking, all right, the user just asked for programming language that are good to learn in 2025. Let me break this down. Now the thinking process is started because this is it is just thinking before providing any output. First, I need to figure out what kind of response they are looking for. They might be planning a career or path or preparing for future tech challenges. It's important to consider factors like current trend, job demand, and available resources. It is very easy to install DeepSeek R1 using the Olama on Windows system, and you can easily do it in less than 5 minutes. Thanks for watching the video and subscribe our channel for more tutorials and videos.